While in Sarasota, a man from Manatee is hospitalized and under treatment for coronavirus. That is the first in that area, and now hospitals are gearing up for more cases and are asking the government to let them be more involved. 8 on your side's Marco Villarreal is live now from Doctors Hospital in Sarasota with more on this angle. Marco.
Good evening, Josh. Yesterday we told you about the mother and son who were in isolation at home, showing no symptoms, but the mother had made contact with the patient who is dealing with the coronavirus. Now we're learning that there's more people at area hospitals waiting to find out what their test results are. As more people are expected to come down with coronavirus, healthcare providers are preparing.
This is a very fluid situation. It's one no one expected that we would be in a week ago.
At Sarasota Memorial Hospital, doctors will first test potential cases for other viruses. If those tests come back negative, they'll then test for COVID-19. While tests used to go to the CDC in Atlanta, now they go to Tampa. But doctors say tests shouldn't have to leave the hospital.
We want to be able to test faster, test more frequently for coronavirus specifically, and have physicians be able to order those tests.
You can imagine if someone comes in, they have symptoms like the flu, but it takes a couple, 3-4 days to get the results back. That's too long.
Right now, 12 people remain in isolation, waiting to find out if they have the coronavirus. Medical staff using every precaution not to spread the virus.
We have full gowns on, special masks to block any mucocutaneous areas that could absorb the virus, and special masks that are able to filter out any of those particles.
With 6,500 employees at this hospital alone, Sarasota Memorial says they have the ability to test and treat patients who may get the virus. And Sarasota Memorial says the only thing they would need are some kits that are specific for testing COVID-19. Right now, they're waiting on the government and hoping they'll allow them to do those tests in the hospital. Josh.
Marco, they have the ability to treat, they say, but 12 people in isolation at Sarasota Memorial. Do they have the room for people if it gets any bigger?
That's a good question. Doctors referred to that today. They said, look, the symptoms for COVID-19, for coronavirus, are a lot like the flu. So they're asking people, if you get sick, stay home. Treat it as if it's the flu, and then if it gets really bad, then that's when you would call the health department or go into the hospital, and then they'd be able to treat you. The thing is, if you go in right now, they'll put you in isolation, they'll test you, and they say isolation is going to be a lot more comfortable at your home as opposed to the hospital. Now, I'll say one more thing as well. We have reached out to the Sarasota County Health Department several times in the past several days to find out more about how many more people are waiting here in the county for those results, and if the patient here has been released. We have not heard back from them at all.
All right, Marco Villarreal live in Sarasota for us tonight. Thanks for that.